Dallas, Texas on a Saturday night. I don't know what else I would want. So maybe if it was the night before Easter. We're going to be playing mostly religious-based songs tonight. The Resurrection, our first song. It's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. So I'm Nathanson from San Francisco. Thank you very much for coming. I'll try not to let you down. We're going to start with a new song, so that's pretty much a letdown. This will be the first letdown of the evening, probably the last. Some of you will start to feel warm in your sexual place because we're so damn good. It's okay. I don't want you to be scared. Men especially. Don't be scared if you start to feel warm and maybe a little bit solid. We're just conduits for the magic. Ladies, your nipples will go first. On this the night before Easter. We're going down to hell. We're going to be breaking out all the hits tonight, all the songs that you're familiar with from our time on MTV and VH1, and all the songs you're familiar with from the radio as well from us. When you have a catalog of hits as large as I do, generations, it's tough to please everybody, but I'm not going to let you down. I'll play the 70s shit, I'll play the 90s shit. It's going to be that outrageous. I can take a little bit more of my 6-string in the wedge, and this is a song off of one of our biggest records. I think it tied Thriller. It's nice. It was long. Yeah, it was long.